Write the electronic configuration of an element having atomic number 11. Write the configuration of an element having atomic number 11. 281. 281. How are metals towards the top of the activity series extracted? How are metals towards the top of the activity series extracted? They are extracted by electrolysis. Name the systems in animals which help in the process of control and coordination. Name the system in animals which help in the process of control and coordination. Nerve system and endocrine system. Write the functional and structural unit of the nerve system. Write the functional and structural unit of the nerve system. The structural and functional unit of nerve system is nerve cell or neuron. What are the main divisions of nerve system? There are two main divisions of nerve system, CNS and PNS, central nerve system and peripheral nerve system. What is the action done suddenly called dash? What is the action done suddenly called dash? Reflex action. What is the path of reflex action called? 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 Dash. Reflex arc. Reflex arc. Very good. Reflex arc. Name the main controlling part of the nerve system. Name the main controlling part of the nerve system. Brain. Name the bony box in which brain is protected. Name the bony box in which brain is protected. Cranium. Name the bony box in which brain is protected. Cranium. Next question. Write the name of the fluid which gives mechanical support to the brain. Write the name of the fluid which gives mechanical support to the brain. The name of the fluid. Write the name of the fluid which gives the mechanical support to the brain. CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid. Next question. We suddenly withdraw our hand when a pin pricks. Name the type of response involved in this action. We suddenly withdraw our hand when a pin pricks. Name the type of response involved in this action. Reflex action. Name the part of the brain which controls the involuntary activities. Name the parts of the brain which controls the Aditya. Okay. Name the part of the brain which controls the involuntary activities. Name the part of the brain which controls the involuntary activities. Medulla oblongata. Mention the exact part of the brain which controls the voluntary movements of muscles. Mention the exact part of the brain which controls the voluntary movements of the muscles. The cerebellum. Write the full form of CSF. Write the full form of CSF. Cerebrospinal fluid. Name the stimuli to which plants respond. Plants respond to 3 stimuli, namely light, touch, and gravitational force. Towards light, shoot is grown. State the main function of abscisic acid in plants. Name the main function of abscisic acid ABA in plants. It inhibits germination of seeds. Name the plant hormone responsible of the promotion of cell division. Which plant hormone is responsible for promotion of cell division? Cytokinin. What do we call the movement of a shoot towards light? What do we call the movement of a shoot towards light? Phototropism. Phototropism. Name the plant hormone which is responsible for elongation of cells. Name the plant hormone which is responsible for the elongation of cells. Name the plant hormone which is responsible for elongation of cells. Name the plant hormone which is responsible for elongation of cells. Auxin. Very good. Name the gland which secretes the hormones. Name the glands which secrete the hormone. Endocrine gland. Name the hormone which acts opposite to glucagon. Name the hormone which acts opposite to glucagon. Insulin. Name the endocrine glands which produce gametes. Name the endocrine gland which produce gametes. The testes and ovaries. If you find a large swelling in the neck projecting outward, which category of secretion you think is being produced in shortage? Thyroxine hormone. Its shortage but lack of thyroxine hormone causes simple goitre. Which hormone helps in lowering the level of blood sugar or blood glucose in human beings? Which hormone helps in lowering the level of blood glucose in human beings? Insulin. Which hormone is responsible for the development of mustache and beard in man? Testosterone. Name the disease caused due to the failure of insulin secretion. Diabetes mellitus. Why is oxytocin called as birth hormone? Why is oxytocin called as birth hormone? Oxytocin is called birth hormone because it regulates the ejection of milk during the lactation period. Name 2 hormones of pancreatic islets. 2 hormones of pancreatic islets are insulin and glucagon. Name the disease that occur in children due to deficiency of thyroxine. Name the disease that occur in children due to the deficiency of thyroxine. Deficiency of thyroxine leads to cretinism. Give an example of a gland which is both endocrine and exocrine. That means which gland secretes both enzyme and hormones. Give example: pancreas. Name the hormone secreted by one endocrine gland during emergency. Name the gland which secreted this hormone. Name the hormone secreted by one endocrine gland during emergency is adrenaline hormone, which is secreted from the adrenal gland. Okay. Panda. Very good. Name the disease by which a person is likely to suffer due to the deficiency of iodine. Goitre. Due to the deficiency of insulin. Diabetes. Name the plant hormone which inhibits growth. Abscisic acid or FBA. Abscisic acid or FBA. Next chapter. At the time of a short circuit, the electric current in the circuit vary continuously, does not change, reduce substantially, increases heavily. At the time of short circuit, the electric current in the circuit vary continuously, does not change, reduce substantially, increases heavily. At the time of short circuit, the electric current in the circuit increases heavily. Two bulbs of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series. Two bulbs of 100 watt and 40 watt are connected in series. The current through the 100 watt bulb is 1 ampere. The current through the 40 watt bulb will be dash. Two bulbs. There are two bulbs. One bulb is rated with 100 watt and the other bulb is rated with 40 watt. Both they are connected in series grouping. The through the 40 watt bulb will be dash 1 ampere. 1 ampere. Current remains same in the circuit is series grouping. For 100 watt bulb, current is 1 ampere. Also, for 40 watt bulb, current is same. Current is same, I is same in the series grouping. For 100 watt bulb, current is 1 ampere. For 40 watt bulb, also current is 1 ampere. 1 ampere, not 5 by 6. The pattern of the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conducting wire is dash. The pattern of magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conducting wire is dash in the direction opposite to the current, in the direction parallel to the wire, in the same direction of current, circular around the wire. The pattern of the magnetic field produced by the straight current carrying conducting wire is dash, circular around the wire in the direction opposite to the current. Circular around the wire. The nature of magnetic field line passing through the center of no direct and opposite to current. No. The magnetic field. The pattern of magnetic field around by the straight conducting wire. Straight conducting wire by applying right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule, if your thumb shows the direction of current, then the folded fingers shows the direction of magnetic field. So this is the circular path. The magnetic field lines in a straight current carrying conducting wire is circular, concentric circles. Next question. The nature of magnetic field is passing through the center of current carrying circular loop is dash. Circular, ellipse, parabolic, straight line. The nature of magnetic field lines passing through the center of current carrying circular loop is dash. Circular, ellipse, parabolic, straight line. No. Straight line. At the center of the circular loop, the magnetic field lines appear as straight line. Straight line. Okay. Magnetic field line at the center of the current carrying loop appears as a straight line. A soft iron bar is introduced inside the current carrying solenoid. A soft iron bar is introduced inside the current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid, will decreases, will remain same, will increase, will become zero. A soft iron bar is introduced inside the current carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is same at every point. Name the scientist who first suggested that a magnet should exert force on a current carrying conductor. Name the scientist who first suggested that a magnet should exert force on a current carrying conductor. Ampere. What kind of magnetic field produced by a solenoid? What kind of magnetic field is produced by a solenoid? What kind of magnetic field is produced by a solenoid? The magnetic field produced by a solenoid is similar to the magnetic field produced by a bar magnet.